If your phone feels too complicated, overwhelming, or just not comfortable to use anymore, let me tell you a shocking truth. The problem isn't you, it's your settings. Today, I'm unlocking a secret file, hidden settings that will completely transform how your phone looks, sounds, and works, and you won't need to install a single app. I guarantee you've never used more than half of these. Stay with me. What's coming next will make your phone easier than ever before. Enlarge the text, increase font size. Open settings. Choose display. Tap on font size and style. Slide the bar to the right to make the text bigger as you prefer. Stick with large or extra large size to make it easier on your eyes. Enlarge icons and menus. In display, select Screen Zoom. Slide the bar to the right. Menus will get larger and spacing between text will increase. Turn on dark mode. Dark colors reduce eye strain and are more comfortable, especially at night. Go to Display. Dark mode. Enable the Adapt Sound feature. Open Settings. Go to Sounds and Vibration. Tap Sound Quality and Effects. Select Adapt Sound. Choose the option for your age group. The phone will adjust the sound to match your hearing, especially during calls. Enable Easy Mode. Settings. Go to Display. Scroll down and select Easy Mode. Turn it on. What happens? Icons become larger. The home screen becomes much simpler. No more clutter. Very helpful if you're giving the phone to someone unfamiliar with technology. Reduce the number of visible apps. Many people over 50 don't use every app, so why keep the phone cluttered? Long press on any app you don't use. Select Remove from Home. Don't delete the app, just hide it from the main screen. Always see the time and calls easily. Open Settings. Choose Lock Screen Display Style. Turn on Always on Display. You'll always see the time, even when the phone is locked. Enable Mono Audio. If one ear hears better than the other. Settings. Lability. Hearing. Mono Audio. Turn it on. The sound will come from both sides equally instead of being split. And there you have it, just a few settings. And your phone is now clearer, simpler, and finally fun to use again. If this helped you, imagine how much it could help someone else. Send this video to a friend, your parents, or anyone who struggles with their phone. Tech should work for you, not against you. Drop a comment if you discovered something new. Like the video to help more people find it. And don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started.